Good morning. It's very windy here in New Orleans. I don't know what's the problem today. I guess we're gonna get some rain, but it's windy, y'all. I'm trying to hide my little girls from blowing over, and try to put them all together on the table. Look at them two. What y'all up to? Layla? Papi, what you doing? Hey, Layla. Hey, Mama. But yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to. They already done blew off one of my little babies. Look, this was supposed to be a little red bell pepper. It done blew off the tree. So I don't know, y'all. We're gonna survive whatever this is. I don't know. It's cloudy today, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, like I said, I just moved all of my stuff around because it's super D Duper windy. And look, I got nice little stuff coming. I ain't trying to sacrifice none of my new little girls to this crazy wind that they got going on today. I don't know what's look at it. Look how it's blowing my stuff, y'all. I'm getting mad. That's crazy. But I have to go get some more trellis. And that way it'll be able to support this stuff at times like this. So that's my fault, I guess. So look at my cucumbers. They coming up nice. Growing and growing. I grew them from seeds. They so cute. And my corn, I had to tuck it in this little grow bag handle because the wind was trying to break her off at the bottom, y'all. It's we can't have that. Look at my okra getting some new little kind of leaves in the middle of them. I don't know what that's about, but we're gonna see. Now I sprayed some neem oil on this stuff. Try to keep these little gnats and pests away, but it don't look like it's I might need to spray that one again, but everybody else look like they're doing fine. I don't have too many gnats. My strawberries, y'all, that's a whole nother story. Something that ate the strawberries. I'm gonna show y'all. And this is my zucchini under here doing great. Now I don't know, it's got a little flower right there. My rosemary. Look, I'm getting some more cayenne peppers. I'm gonna have plenty of those. Plenty of cayenne pepper. And this is my little jalapenos secretly hiding back here. Let me show you. Look, I got two good ones. Two jalapenos. Look, I got this is supposed to be a red bell pepper when it grow mature enough. Then this the other one that came off of there. And this the yellow pepper. I'm trying not to get it to fly off. Grah. And look at my squash. I got two more flowers. They doing wonderful. Okay, I'm hiding back there. All this stuff up here. Doing good. Everybody alive and kicking. Watermelon getting tall. Garlic. Everybody doing good. Good morning, girls. Checking in. Good morning. Turn up. Turning up. All right, y'all.